I bet you're wondering what that sound is. Well, it's my new 3-tier water fountain here. I bought it at Walmart for $84. A great deal. It was a end of the season kind of special. And this is the base right there, but I put it on a cement piece right there that we've already had. I used to have another bird bath on it, and I think I'm going to put it back on there. But as you can see, this is a great little fountain for $84. I mean, these things are like $200 and $300 easy anywhere else. I had to level it on this cement piece, but I'll probably end up putting it back on the original base. But I put water in it yesterday, and it still hasn't splashed out and everything, so that's really good news. It's so loud. It's a good loud. I love the design of this fountain. So easy to put together. All you do is screw a few things in and it's pretty much ready. So I'm very happy with this. For $84, you just can't get anything like this anywhere. So anyway, just had to show you all my new 3-tier water fountain. It's by Better Homes and Garden, I believe. So it's a great little deal, and I love this little thing.